This video will demonstrate how to begin to use dictionaries in the Class Notes app, starting with the tip screens and the Pre-Loaded Dictionaries. Taking excellent notes in class is critical to getting better grades in school. Because time is limited when taking notes in class, it is important to be able to take notes using a fast and efficient note-taking system. This means you'll get better results for your efforts and have more time for exam studying and free time. Better notes equal better grades. The fastest way to record notes is by using a note-taking shorthand system that involves a tool that you're already used to using on mobile devices, called a predictive text bar, with another system that you use all the time, your texting skills. Texting is a modern-day note-taking shorthand system. Predictive text facilitates typing on a mobile device by suggesting words that you may wish to insert in a text field. Because you simply tap on a word instead of typing it out completely on the keyboard, predictive text can significantly speed up your input process. In addition to the predictive text bar supplied by your mobile device, Class Notes goes one giant step further and supplies you with a similar, but more importantly, customizable tool, the Class Notes Predictive Meaning Bar. The study time required to memorize abbreviations, their meanings, and the additional time required to decode has been completely eliminated by using this Class Notes dictionary system. You can begin using the Class Notes Predictive Meaning Bar immediately with the free Pre-Loaded Dictionaries. The Class Notes Predictive Meaning Bar displays above the predictive text bar displayed on your keyboard, and either can be turned on or off as you desire on this screen. Now let's cover how to access the Class Notes dictionary system inside the app. From almost every screen in Class Notes, simply tap the dictionaries icon in the top right of your screen as shown here. The first time you open the Class Notes dictionary system, a helpful series of tip screens will display. Swipe left to continue to the second tip screen. You can exit any time by simply tapping the exit button in the top to exit. Continue to swipe left to move through the series of tip screens. These functions will be explained fully later. Personal dictionary items are explained in Dictionaries Video 2. Once you've reached the last dictionary's tip screen, if you'd like to go back through the tip screen again, swipe right. If you'd ever like to see these tip screen again after exiting, tap the tips icon on the bottom toolbar when you're in the Class Notes dictionary system. To exit, tap the exit button in the top right or tap the X in a circle at the top. Class Notes comes with a number of free, pre-loaded note-taking dictionaries to get you started. They're displayed in the dictionary list on the left side of the screen in black text. In the Dictionaries video number 2, we'll discuss how to create a personal dictionary. Each of these free, pre-loaded dictionaries may be turned on and off. Simply tap to highlight the row on the left side of the pre-loaded dictionary that you wish to turn off. That dictionary will then display on the right side in the abbreviation meaning screen. Here we're using the English dictionary to demonstrate. Toggle the top right switch to off and you will see that the English dictionary is now displayed as off on the left side dictionary list as well. When a dictionary is turned off, its contents are not displayed on the right, indicating the dictionary is not active. This also means that when an abbreviation from a turned off preloaded dictionary is typed, the meanings for that abbreviation will not be displayed in the predictive meaning bar. Note that if the same abbreviation is active in another dictionary, then the meanings for that same abbreviation will be displayed in the predictive meaning bar. To turn the English dictionary back on, simply toggle the on-off switch again. Note that its contents are now displayed, meaning the dictionary is active again. Inside each preloaded dictionary, individual entries may be turned on or off and made to on or being case sensitive. Tap the row of the abbreviation that you want to control. For this demonstration, we're tapping the row for the exclamation mark. This will open the Edit Entry screen. Here you may toggle active off or on for this individual abbreviation. When an abbreviation is turned off inside this dictionary as we're demonstrating, the meanings for this abbreviation will not be displayed in the predictive meaning bar as you're typing. Note that if that same abbreviation is in another dictionary, then the meanings for that same abbreviation will be displayed in the predictive meaning bar, just being displayed from the other dictionary. Tap OK to return to the main dictionary screen. Here you'll see that when an abbreviation is turned off inside this dictionary, as the exclamation point abbreviation is now, that its row is now italicized and in gray type. This visibly lets you know which entries are turned off. Now tap the exclamation point row again to go back to the Edit Entry screen. Back at the Edit Entry screen, turn the active off-on switch back to the on position. On this screen, you may also toggle off or on for the case sensitivity of an abbreviation. Case sensitive means that the upper and lowercase alphabetic characters will be recognized as different characters as you're typing. All preloaded dictionary abbreviations may not be edited other than turning active on, off, or turning case sensitive on, off. Turn case sensitive back to off and tap OK to exit this screen. Now that we're back on the main dictionary screen, let's go over how to use the sorting and search functions on the right, the abbreviation meaning side of the screen. By default, the sorting is done by abbreviation as shown here. For this demonstration, we'll be using the All setting on the dictionary list on the left. This means that the abbreviations and their meanings for all the dictionaries turned on are displayed on the abbreviation meaning screen. To sort the abbreviation meaning side of the screen by meaning, tap the word meaning at the top right. The list will refresh and the meanings will now be sorted in alphabetical order. Now that the list is currently being sorted by meaning, tap on the words Search by Meaning next to the small magnifying glass icon. The keyboard will display and now you're able to start typing in the Search by Meaning field. Let's type in discontinue for this demonstration. Notice that as you type each letter, the search results narrow down until you get to a final result. Tap the lower the keyboard button in the bottom right of your screen. To dismiss this search, simply tap the gray X in a circle at the right side of the search field. To search by abbreviation, simply tap the abbreviation title and start your search by following the same steps. Now that you're familiar with the dictionary's number 1 functions of tips and preloaded dictionaries, you may want to learn more about the other parts of the dictionary's functions. Check out our other dictionaries videos number 2 and number 3 to see how the Class Notes app personal dictionaries can help you get better grades. Remember, better notes equal better grades.